Welcome back again to Chichewa Lessons number 2, brought to you by Kusewera organization. So we're gonna continue where we left off. Last time we talked about, good morning, good day, have you slept, stuff like that. So we'll continue on. This one here, it's gonna be really, really tricky, the pronunciation. So I need you guys to stick around and try to pronunciate pretty well or enunciate well. Muna gona bwanji. Gona means to sleep. Bwanji, like, muli bwanji, how are you? How's everything, Muna. Muna, again, when you are talking to a group or when you're talking to an adult. Una, when you're talking to a singular person who is in your age range, your friend, and anything like that. So, Muna gona bwanji. How did you sleep? Muna gona bwanji. Una gona bwanji. How did you sleep? Muna gona, sleep. Gona means sleep. So if you go to Malawi and you hear gona, just know that somebody's talking about sleep. So muna gona bwanji. How did you sleep? And you would respond to ndagona bwino. I slept well. Ndagona bwino. Or you can say ndinagona bwino. But this is easier and faster. Ndagona bwino or ndinagona bwino. If it's a group of people, they will usually say tina gona bwino, because tina just means like we all slept well. And if you're talking to somebody that you want them to come to you, you would say tabwela kuno. Tabwela, come. Tabwela. Kuno means here. Kuno. So T-A, tabwela, come. Kuno, here. So come here. Tabwela kuno. A lot of people will say really fast. They'll say tabwela kuno. But it's tabwela kuno. Tionana mawa. Tionana. See you. Tionana. See. Wana. See, wana means to see. To see. So, tionana. I'll see. So, tionana, mawa. I'll see you. Mawa means tomorrow. Tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Tionana mawa. Tionana mawa. I'll see you tomorrow. This one is fun. Madzi. That means water. Madzi. Water. Stay hydrated, guys. Water. Madzi. You have to remember that one every single time, especially if you visit Malawi. You have to stay hydrated. You have to drink a lot of water, especially if it's really hot. Not only Malawi, but here as well. So, madzi, that means water. Madzi. Botolo. I'm thinking you can guess that. Botolo is bottle. So, bottle, botolo. Bottle. So, water bottle is madzi a botolo. So madzi a botolo, that's water bottle. It's not on here, but I'm just saying that. So madzi a botolo, water bottle. Madzi botolo. So if madzi water botolo, that's water bottle. But the way you would say is madzi a botolo or madzi amu botolo, water bottle. Ukufuna madzi, ukufuna, or you can say mukufuna if it's a group or somebody who's older. Mukufuna, ukufuna, do you want? Madzi, water. Do you want water? So, ukufuna madzi. So, again, if you want to say, do you want water bottle, you would say, ukufuna madzi amubotolo. Do you want water bottle? So, ukufuna madzi. Mukufuna madzi, same thing. Do you all want water? Or somebody who's an adult, somebody who's older. Mukufuna madzi. This one is singular. Ukufuna madzi. Chakudya. I gotta say that first. Chakudya. Food. Chakudya. C-H-A. Cha. C-H-A. Ku. D-Y-A. Chakudya. So D-Y-A, dya, try to say dia and say it fast. Dia, dia, dia. That's how you pronounce it. Chakudia. Chakudia. So if you want to make it easier, you can say dia, dia. Chakudia. But say it faster at the end. Chakudia. So mukufuna chakudia. Do you want food or do you want something to eat? Snacks or anything like that. That's chakudia. So mukufuna chakudia. Do you want food? Remember chakudia. So chakudia, madzi, botolo, mawa, tomorrow, tionana, see you, tabwela, come, kuno, here, gonna, sleep. Gonna sleep. So thank you again for joining us for Chichewa Lessons number 2, brought to you by Kusewera Organization. If you want to see more, don't forget to visit www.kusewera.org. See you next time.